Hello my friends. Today I'm doing a pour with Arteza paints, and I want to mention that they're having a 20% off sale today through October 30th through November 2nd, I believe it is. So 20% off, free shipping. It's a great time for you to try out these paints. I just love them. They mix so nicely with all the pouring mediums I've tried, including today's, which is the Polycrylic mix I like very much. Let me show you how nice and creamy it is. Really easy to mix in. This is a little on the thick side because I'm doing kind of a straight pour today. What else did I want to say? There was something, but I don't recall. Maybe it'll come to me. Anyway, through November 10th, you can save 10% by using the code Jeszeck1, but you might as well do it by the 2nd of November and get 20% off. So, anyway, what have I done here? I have burnt sienna, burnt umber, to which I added a little black to make it darker, gold. This is yellow ochre, and I added a bit of white to lighten it up because it was too similar in value to the gold. And then I took white and added just a touch of yellow ochre to make this nice light color so I wouldn't have pure white in there. So what I'm going to do today is a stick trick. I did a couple of videos with this, maybe number 52, 53, 53, 54, somewhere around there, where I filled up the cup and then I held the stick in place as I poured, and it kind of gave the effect of a split cup without the cup. So I'm going to try that again because I liked the look I got, and I don't know why I didn't pursue it and do it more, but I'm going to do it today. So my idea today is to pour it kind of in an S shape, just a straight pour. Maybe when I get in the center here, I'll do a jiggle thing. I don't know. And then back to that, just to mix it up a little bit. That's the plan. So let's see, I'll start with this. That's very similar in value. I hope that's not a mistake, but I won't know unless we try. This is similar as well. But I wanted the gold next to the dark burnt umber. And I think that'll be pretty together. And as I said, I added a bit of black to this to darken it even further. I didn't want to go with straight black, but I wanted a dark brown. And this is burnt sienna straight from the tube. Looks like I'll just be able to do 2 layers here. Have enough paint left over to do ribbons if I feel it needs it. Well, I should have mixed up the order, but it's too late. I should have put this dark brown between those two. But I didn't. Okay. Excuse me. Let's see what happens. That's a little tricky holding the stick in place. And you have to have it, you can't have it too far out or the paint just somehow gathers on the tip and just falls out. You can't have it too far back or you won't it won't work. It has to be just right. So maybe it's sticking out about ½ inch over the cup. I seem to recall. It looks pretty right there. Okay. I'm a little nervous. But here we go. Now I'll move it along a little bit. I'm so used to doing the jiggle. Well, that's a lot of that color. I better... Here we go, finally. Try a little jiggle. So much for my S formation, or maybe. Where's that dark brown? I think it's finally making an appearance. Maybe I'll go over this big blob of burnt sienna there. Oops. See, I pushed the stick out too far and it was just going off the tip of the stick. Pulled it back to get the kind of a double stream thing going. I don't know. I'm not loving the color combinations that I'm seeing. I like the one with the lighter color, but all right. Well, I don't like it right now. I don't like it at all. I'm gonna pour what I have left in here, which looks very pretty. Make some big ribbons. See if I can't change it up. Maybe it's just these colors. I wanted to use fall colors. That was my thinking, but ugh. All right, let's move it around. You never know. You know, when you start moving things around, sometimes it can redeem itself. All right, well, let's size it up. It looks better than it did initially. It looks like a pine cone over there. That's kind of fun. I like parts of it. This is kind of boring. This is pretty up here. I'm going to push it down this way, kind of get rid of some of this and try to bring that back into composition. What if I turn it towards you, if you can see better? Oh, I've got the part out of view that I want you to see up here at where I am, the top up here. Okay, that helped this section. What to do? What have I got left here? I think I want to use the very dark. I'm going to pour some very dark into the cup here. And some gold. And a bit of the lightest color I have. And now I need to do some ribbons. It's interesting. I'm not unhappy with it too much, but I feel it needs more. I mean, there's a lot going on, but I just feel these two things need complementary skinny ribbons. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to kind of crisscross. I'm going to do that like that. That's what I'm doing. Here we go. Another one. Okay. No, that duplicates that too much. Maybe here. Yep. I think I'll do a skinny, and then I'll slow it down to get a little thicker up there, and then skinny again. I hope. Oh, this looks like chocolate. Skinny, thicker, skinny. Oh, I went ahead and duplicated that. That's just what I didn't want to do. I didn't want to mimic that same curvature, but I went ahead and did it. It comes so naturally to do that. So, to fix that, I'm going to go should I move it or leave it? I think I'll leave it. You know, I'm not crazy about the colors. I think the composition is quite interesting, and the lines went on very nicely. It's just the color combination is not really to my liking. Let me bring it down, show you some of these fun areas. I love that look right there. Those look like macadamia nuts. The color, what I'm seeing through the camera and what I'm looking at in person is not the same. Does that change it? No. It's far more brown and gold than kind of the reddish cast I'm seeing. Oh well. Well, there you have it. Poor color choices. This is the stick effect. You get that separation there. This was probably the jiggle part, and I like that too. Okay, well, there you go. Not one of my better works, but could be worse. All right, folks. Thank you. Bye-bye.